Hey, this is Mike. I'm one of the co-founders of Bridge Bike Works. We are hand building carbon fiber frames and forks in Toronto, Canada to the highest standards in the world. This is our first model, the Surveyor. It's a race bike with 40mm tire clearance. So really combining the best of road and gravel bikes. We've got full internal cable routing through the front end. We are producing our own fork in-house in Toronto. Threaded T4786 bottom bracket, and we're actually launching a new bottom bracket technology here at the show we'll tell you a little more about. Very tight wheelbase, only 417mm chainstays with 40mm tire clearance, so something that rides really well on the road but still has the capability to go further and ride events like Unbound, Belgian waffle ride. So trying to build a bit of an N+1 killer, something that doesn't have a lot of weaknesses, that performs great as a road or a gravel bike. Inside, we've got the Ceramic Speed SLT long life bearings, so you don't have headset bearing replacements very often. That's an option on our builds. We do have curated builds at bridgebikeworks.com. We're officially into production now, so this is one of the first production frame sets we've built. We're starting to ship customer bikes later this month, and we are taking orders for new customer bikes, about a 4-month lead time right now. We've got 5 sizes, 5 colors. We Cerakote in-house, so that's lighter, more chip resistant than most paint, and super proud to do it all under one roof in Toronto.
My name's Frank. I'm the other co-founder of Bridge Bike Works, and this is our new BB technology. We call it integrally threaded carbon bottom bracket, and as you can see in here, everything is carbon, so we mold the thread right into the bottom bracket, so there's no more need for a shell. The T47 in this case just threads right in. So some of the biggest advantages of doing this is, 1, it's much lighter. 2, from a production perspective, we don't have to have a secondary process of boring out a hole and bonding in an aluminum cup. This leads to almost perfect alignment right out of the mold. Much easier for the rider. You can just undo it. You have full access to the wires inside, and there's just plenty of benefits there for lightness and performance and robustness.
Is set up a little more of an all-road setup with the Huntless wheels and Vittoria Next 34mm tires. It's Cerakoted in our aged rosé pink color, and built up with a full Shimano Dura-Ace build, Pro Vibe Evo cockpit, and that's an example that our front end is non-proprietary. It's made for internal cable routing, but you can run any cockpit from Deta, Pro, Envy, FSA, and really a good example that the bike still has a really good stance and performance when being ridden as a road bike, but then has that capability to go further. Our other build has the Continental Terra 40mm tires on it, so kind of do it all bike.